In this training video, we will cover how agency and agent administrators can manage their group's users and companies. Administrators will have an administration option on their navigation menu. Normal users will not have this option. This is a group's profile. In this example, we are looking at an agent group's profile. However, an agency group will look and function the same. Think of an agent's group like an agent's actual office. Everybody in the office works for the agent and they can order for the same companies. This is the profile of the office or group of the agent David Johnson. But this is not David's user profile. This is the group's profile. The agent can access his user profile just like everyone else by clicking his username on the right of his navigation menu. We list the office's address and contact information. We also list the people who work in the office and our portal users. Finally, we list all the companies that the agent's office places orders for. Administrators, also known as admins, can view and edit all of this for the group. Let's first start with editing the office information. You can do this by clicking the Edit option on the top bar. This takes you to the Edit page where you can edit the agent office's name and information. Remember, you are only editing the agent office, not the actual agent's user account. One important thing to note is the Office Association section. This is only used if the agent works directly with one examination office. Most agents do not do this, and those that do are specifically given an office number to enter. If you do not work with one specific office, just leave this blank. Now let's discuss the agent group's list of users. This is everyone who works in that agent's office and has a portal user account. If the agent works on their own, they do not need to add any other users. The good thing about using an agent group concept is that all of the agent group's users will automatically be able to place orders for this agent office. That means each user does not have to worry about associating to companies and accounts on their own. They will inherit the companies from the agent group when they are creating cases. Additionally, when any of the users create a case, the agent, David Johnson, will automatically appear on the case. When these users log in, they will be able to see all of the cases created for the agent group, even if someone outside of the group created the order and added the agent to the case. These cases will also appear on each of the user's dashboard. You can view and edit any of the user's portal user accounts by clicking the user's name and going to their profile. This is a user's profile. You can edit their information for them, change their role, and change their password. This is beneficial if they are having login trouble. Notice you can also disable and enable their user account. You would do this if the user no longer works for this agent. As an administrator, you can add new users by clicking the Add User link. Here, you can enter all of the new users' information. You need to choose if they will have an administrator role, and thus will be able to edit all of the group's information like you can, or if they will have a normal user, known as assistant role. After you create the user, we will send them a confirmation email where they can log in and set their password. The user will be able to edit all of their personal information after they log in. The final section of the administration page is the companies section. This is where agents and agencies identify their insurance companies. We have created a separate video called Adding Companies that will walk through the managing companies process for agents and agencies. This concludes the administration training video. Thank you for watching, and be sure to contact your ExamOne representative if you have any additional questions or would like help with administrating your group.